All right, I'm back again. All right, so in the last recording, we did the text frame options, and we created our first paragraph style from text that we had already styled. In this one, we're going to set up our subhead text. We're going to create a new paragraph style from it as well, and then we're going to create a new paragraph style from scratch. So we'll see if we get through all that through this video. But let's get started. All right, so the first thing that we want to do is we need to change the text that's inside of this one as well. So let's go ahead and double click on that, or triple click, or select all, whichever way. You can select all by going in here and highlighting it. You can hit Command A, or Control A, or you can click, I think it's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 times, and it will select it all. So whichever method works for you, what makes you happy, go for it. As you guys know, there are a million ways to do things, and so there you have it. So the bottom line is to have all your text selected. Now, once you have all your text selected, we're going to go up here to our type menu. And remember, this is our control panel. Remember, because it changes based off of whatever tool that we have selected. So in our control panel for type, we're going to change this type to be 14 points. We want our color to be black. So we're going to navigate all the way over here to the right where you see the stroke and fill. You guys see that? Let's go ahead and click that and change it to black. Make sure you're choosing black. There are 2 colors that look the color black, but black is going to say black. Do not choose registration. We want black. All right, cool, sweet. All right, so once we have that color, let's go ahead and change our text to say contact us. So we navigated down here to where our text is, and we just type the words contact us. Easy enough? I think so. All right, so with that selected, let's go down here to where it says paragraph styles. Now see how right now we made changes to the style, and you guys see that little plus sign that's under a headline? Right, that means that we modified the style. We don't want that right now. Later on we will have that, but we don't want that right now. So let's go ahead and click on the new style. Notice again, then our paragraph style comes up. As a matter of fact, let's do this a different way. I'm gonna undo, and I just hit Control Z to undo. We're gonna do it a different way. The way that we do it now will eliminate one step. You all know that we could click it, then it's going to make the new style, and then we double click and have to go into it. But we're gonna eliminate that step. So hold the Alt key as you click on the create new style, and notice now it just skipped the one step. It just skipped one step. So we just made it a little faster for ourselves. You're welcome. We like that. All right, so what we're going to do with this is we're going to name this one subheading. All right, so we don't really need to make any other changes, so let's hit OK. So now if you look in the paragraph panel, oh, something else popped up for me. If you look in our paragraph styles panel, you'll see headline and you'll see subheading, right? So what we have to do now is let's just make sure that the subheading style is applied to that. Let's apply that style to it. Yours might have already happened. I'm not quite sure what just happened with mine. Like I said, I am in a very confined space, so it's pretty possible that I hit something. You know, you just never know. All right, so with that style, let's go ahead and I'm going to collapse this a little bit. So I just collapsed the panel. Anytime you have those 2 arrows on the side, that's how you can just collapse a panel. So that's what I just did. I collapsed the panel a little bit. Let's go ahead and choose the selection tool. Remember, because now we're going to affect the object. So we want to make sure that we have the selection tool selected. And what we're going to do now is we're going to make another copy of this box so that we can set up our body text. So let's go ahead and hold the Alt key and drag it down. So now you have another copy of the box. Do you? Because I do. I hope you do too. All right, sweet. So let me look at how much time has elapsed just so I can see if we have. All right, we're good. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we want to go ahead and create a new paragraph style, but this time we're going to create a new paragraph style from, you know what? we're going to do it in the next video because I don't want these videos to go too long. So, all right, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and end this one, and then we'll go into the next video. I just don't want the videos to be too long because then they'll take forever to upload to the YouTube. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here, and I'll start another one in a few. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Oh my gosh, I miss you already.